Hello, my name is Kuang. Welcome to Cybernet channel. This video will show you where to download and how to install sample databases used in SQL Server. First, let's check the SQL Server version in my system. After connecting to SQL Server, open a query window, and type the statement select at version and execute it to see the version. Then, let's access the Microsoft document. Scroll down to see the SQL Server. There is the database samples link in the development box at the bottom of the page. We will download the backup files for the transactional database and data warehouse database. My SQL Server is SQL Server 2019. Therefore, we will download the AdventureWorks 2019 and AdventureWorks Data Warehouse 2019. Copy the two files to the backup folder. Now let's open SQL Server Management Studio to install the sample databases. Because the sample database files are in the backup form, I use the return function to create the databases. We will create AdventureWorks first, and AdventureWorks Data Warehouse later. Okay, we now have both databases. Let's create a select statement to retrieve some data. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.